Hey everybody, welcome to Cindy Certified Recipes. Back in 1985 on our first trip to Disney World, we ate the Land Grille Room at Epcot, and one of the memorable things we had there was their Shrimp De Jonghe. It's quick, it's easy, and always delicious, so let's go make those shrimp. We've melted down the butter. We're going to add that to the bowl. And we're going to add in lemon juice. And some white wine. Some pepper. Some salt. Some garlic, minced. Some Worcestershire sauce. Some chopped fresh parsley. And we're going to add in some sour cream. We're going to give that a stir. Just want them incorporated. That's good. And now we're gonna put in some fresh torn breadcrumbs. And you're just trying to get those nice and coated with your mixture. You're going to be surprised how quickly this all comes together. And now we're on to saute the shrimp. We're going to saute these shrimp up in a little bit of the butter. Just till they're pink. These are raw, cleaned, deveined shrimp, a pound. These will cook fairly quickly. Just giving them a turn, get both sides. And these are done. Now the shrimp are lightly sauteed. We're going to bring those over here and layer them in the dish. You can use a individual dish, or you can use a bigger casserole. Up to you, whatever you'd like to do. And just layer them on in there. One layer. That looks good. You have some left over, you can munch on them. That looks good. Now we're going to take that mixture we made and put it on top. It's already smelling pretty good with all that garlic in there. There we go. And that's going to go in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. And we are done. Not only is this beautiful, but it's delicious. So we're going to try some. It is so good, everybody. You definitely have to try this. It's so easy. We're gonna get some of that shrimp and some of that breading. You have to try this. This Shrimp De Jonghe recipe can be made as an appetizer or served to a crowd, a romantic meal, or a weeknight dinner. Quick, easy, and so delicious. And remember, if it's time-tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy certified.